Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am finally getting to posting my Decorate With Me for the 4th of July video. I have been I am so far behind. I feel like normally I have this up the very 1st of June and we're looking at like the 4th of July I think is next week. So I'm sure most of you have already decorated, but I still wanted to get this video out. So what I'm planning on doing is our breakfast nook. I always try to do a little bit in our family room. I will do some in our dining room, a little bit in the kitchen. Let's see. Oh, what do you got there? Come show them who you have. Who do you have? Show our friends. Can you see? Can you show them? Look, right here. Look at the camera right there. Do you have Jessie and Woody?
It does?
Yeah, Jessie and Woody. Wow, are you watching Toy Story? Huh? He's been on a buzz kick for, gosh, like 6 or 7 months, but now all of a sudden, I don't know what happened, but he is like obsessed with Woody and Jessie, like those two specifically. Anyway, I might be doing our book wall. I'm going to look and see if we have enough books for a patriotic book wall, and then I will be doing our back porch, which I'm really excited to do because I've never done that since we have just redone the back porch. So I think that's it. Let's get to decorating. All right, I feel like the holdup for me taking so long to post this video is because I did not know what I wanted to do for my mantle. And so I just decided to use my old scarf. I know I've used this before on the 4th of July, but I wanted it to look like a real actual flag. And so just the way I draped it, I guess, is a little bit different than previous years. So I kind of had this idea last minute, and I just had Thomas put a little nail in one of the bricks, and then I was able to drape it how I wanted. For my entire family room, I'm trying to go with more of a rustic look just because this room has a lot of darker tones. I didn't want the traditional bright red, white, and blue. So for all of the flags that I'm decorating this room with, I just tea stained them. So I just set them in some water with some tea just to give them more of a yellow tone. I think I should have left them in a little bit longer because they didn't turn out exactly how I wanted, but that's okay. This banner is actually something I picked up this year and I found it at my grocery store, so I know that's not going to be very helpful, but something I always do is I will clip my banner so that I can use them in multiple places if it's too big to use in just one spot. So as I was decorating, he found his wings under the sofa and immediately wanted his costume on. So the whole Woody and Jessie thing lasted about 5 minutes, huh? Yeah, you're already over it. And then finishing off on this side of the mantle, don't mind the TV, we are watching Buzz, but I'm just gonna keep this simple, put the same kind of banner here, this America sign, and a few flags in the corner. My dining room will look very similar to what I did last year, but I'm pretty sure this 4th of July sign and this bunting banner, I'm pretty sure I got them both at Michael's. I know for a fact the banners were from Michael's because I just saw them there last week, but a really simple way to decorate for the 4th is just adding buntings and flags basically anywhere. If you already have a really pretty centerpiece, or you already have a floral arrangement, or you already like the way your house is decorated, simply adding a few flags will really give you those patriotic vibes. So I do feel like I go a little crazy for the 4th of July, or at least I've been slowly adding to my decor over the last few years because we love to host the 4th of July at our house, so we will have some kind of barbecue, and I just want everyone to feel really festive when they come. So anytime I'm hosting for a specific holiday, I love to go all out. With that being said, I've seen a few comments of people asking if we will be doing Christmas in July this year, and absolutely, we never miss. So that will be a video that will be coming out here in just a few weeks. It's crazy to think it's already that time, that not only is it almost July, the very next holiday that I decorate for, which I think everybody decorates for, is fall and Halloween. That blows my mind. I just can't believe how fast this year has gone. I'm pretty sure I've brought this up in every single Decorate With Me for the 4th video, because I always keep our Halloween decor right behind our 4th of July. So it's just something that's on my mind as I'm bringing my 4th out. It's just so crazy to see that Halloween is the very next holiday that I will be decorating for.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. And you'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough.
And I did decide to go ahead and decorate the book wall. I got a few of those banners, so I clipped this to fit on the book wall, and then I wanted to do one hanging like in the corner. And Ezra is actually going to be decorating the book wall. He loves this so much in his room, so he was excited to help me today. I only had 4 patriotic books, but I figured we would just use some summer books to fill in the rest of the shelves.
As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now.
I realized I haven't shown you guys Ezra and Elliot's new bed, so I wanted to just quickly show that. A few months ago, they still had the crib and just this toddler bed, which they both have outgrown. So we found this loft bed on Amazon. I will have it linked below. And then we kept the toddler bed and just kind of slid it underneath. But they have loved this new setup, obviously because it has a slide, but there's a lot more room to play with this whole new setup. So they have loved this new bed. And the last area that I will be decorating is our back porch, which is my favorite place to hang out. If you follow me at all on Instagram, you probably see this view every single day. This is my go-to place to work. This is where I spend every single morning. I just love hanging out right here. So it was really fun to decorate for the 4th. Again, just adding bunting and flags basically everywhere. I feel like you can't ever have too much when it's the 4th of July.
Until I stop breathing, I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose, I wanna grow with you. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. Even though years have gone by, I'm still in love with the way that you smile. And when I look in your eyes, I know that
All right, well, that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this decorate with me video. If you haven't already hit that red subscribe button, make sure you do that, and we will see you in the next video.